Installation and operation of 3-target magnetron coating instrument. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. Unscrew the water injection port of the water cooler. Add appropriate amount of water to the water injection port. Watch the water level. Green is medium water level. Yellow means it's full. Generally added to the junction of green and yellow. After adding water, tighten the lid. This is the water outlet of the water cooler. This is the water inlet of the water cooler. The water outlet of the water cooler is connected to the water inlet of the equipment. The water inlet of the water cooler is connected to the water outlet of the equipment. Connect air compressor air pipe. Turn on the air compressor switch. Open air compressor valve. Connect the argon gas line. Connect the water cooler power supply. Air compressor power supply. Vacuum pump power supply. After the device power cord is connected, turn on the main power switch of the device. Turn on the vacuum pump. Turn on the water cooler power. Power on the device. Vacuum gauge power supply. BIOS power supply. DC power supply. RF power supply E. RF power supply R. Molecular pump power supply. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Place sample. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Click to get vacuum. Observe the vacuum value changes. Vacuum value to below 20 Pa. Turn on the molecular pump. The molecular pump frequency will drop from 400 to 0. Then it rises from 0 to 400 and runs stably. Click on the film thickness meter to set the target. Click here to switch between different film thickness meters. For example, setting all film thickness gauge targets. Click Settings. Click Select. Take copper as an example. Click Apply. Click to return. If the sample stage needs to be rotated, click to set the speed. For example, 10. For example, forward, return, rotating. If you need to set the sample stage height, click Reset first. Click to set the sample stage height. For example, 20. Rising. Click to set the sample stage heating. For example, the target temperature is 100. Click Start. Click to return. When the vacuum value meets the requirements, click on Cleaning mode. Click OK. Click Set Traffic. For example, 200. Cleaning time is determined according to the process. After cleaning, click Flow Meter. Set the flow rate to then to turn off the flow meter. Click to return. Click to get vacuum. When the vacuum value meets the requirements again, click on Cleaning mode. Start bath cleaning. Click on the flow meter to set the flow rate. For example, 100. After the air pressure stabilizes, setting the bath supply voltage. For example, 400. Click Start. Cleaning process. Click Close when cleaning is complete. Click Flow Meter. Set to then to turn off the flow meter. Click to get vacuum. When the vacuum value meets the requirements, click Flow Meter. Gas injection for coating preparation. For example, input 100. Keep the vacuum at about 100. Click to return. Now start coating using DC power supply and RF power supply. Click to set DC parameters. Click Power mode. For example, setting 80. Click to set RF parameters. For example, Power 100. Open Flappy and Flapper. Turn on the DC and RF power to start coating. The coating process can be observed through the observation window. After coating is completed, power off. Close the flap. Shut down flow meter. Input 0. Turn off the heating. Turn off rotation. Click to stop. Click to pick up samples. When the vacuum value reaches normal atmospheric pressure, unscrew the buckle and open the cavity. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.